Now in this video, I'm going to be multiplying these polynomials. Now, it really doesn't matter which order you follow. I could go this times this, then this term times this term, then this term times this term, then this term times this term. Or I could just work it backwards and go this term by this term by this term, and then I finally multiply this term by this term, then this term by this term. So it really doesn't matter which order you go in, as long as you don't multiply this term by this term or this term by this term. My way of doing it is to start by multiplying this term by this term. So I'll go 3x times 6x, that's going to give you 18x squared. Okay? Then I go 3x times 2, and that's going to give you 6x. And then I go 5 times 6x, that's going to give you 30x. And then I go 5 times 2, and that will give you 10. From there, we simplify. So this will be 18x squared, and then you add 6x and 30x, that will give you 36x. And then you add 10. That's your answer to problem number 1. And then problem number 2. I'm going to go 5x times 2x. That gives you 10x squared. Then I'm going to go 5x times 6. That will give you a plus 30x. Then I'm going to go minus 7 times a positive 6, and that will give you a negative 42. And I skipped something. Minus 7 times 2x, that will give you a minus 14x. Then minus 7 times a plus 6, that will give you minus 42. Then I simplify. This will give you 10x squared plus 16x because I subtracted 14x from the 30x, and 16 and 14 will give you 30. And then I subtract 42. And that's the answer to problem number 2. So it really doesn't matter which order you go in, as long as you don't multiply this term by this term or this term by this term. My thing is that the order you follow is what you're comfortable with. And this brings me to the end of the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for your attention.